Welcome back. Let me change something. I got the wrong number up here. This is science number 4 for group 1. Yesterday, today is the 3rd, and it's Thursday. Thursday, September 3rd. This is science video number 4 for group 1. William, Josias, Nathan, and David. Okay? All right. So yesterday, you should have finished this right here. Okay? You should have a square around the duck, the geese, this little bird up here. There's a turkey. There's a peasant. I hope you can see that. And there's a pigeon. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and these two little birds right here, those are quails. Okay, that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should have 7 square boxes. Okay. Triangles. I counted, I believe it was 1, 2. I counted 2 animals that live in the water. That would be the crab and the fish. So that would be another group of animals that the science study. They're put into groups. Okay? All right. Today's lesson is lesson number 3. And you have a paper like this. It's a coloring page. I want you to do the best coloring that you can. And I want you to stay in the lines when you color, and I want you to pick colors that you really do see in nature. For example, you have a tree right here. We don't see blue trees outside. Most tree barks are off-white, brown, sometimes even black. Some eucalyptus trees' trunks are black. Okay, the animals, we don't see pink animals. We might see pink feathers on a bird in the tropics, but this is mostly animal. These are actually, all these animals live here in the valley in California. We have these look like chipmunks. We have raccoons. We have rabbits. We have deer. We have opossums here in the valley. You may not get to see them very often because a lot of these only come out, like I know the possums and the raccoons, you only see them at night. They only come out at night. And deer are very frightful. They get scared really easy, so they stay away from the cities and towns. You usually see them up in the hills or the mountains. So I want you to color those just the way you would see them in nature. There's one more thing I would like you to do. I would like you to maybe draw remember the groups that we had, the fish, the reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals? Okay. These represent some of those groups, but I want you to maybe draw your own bird up here in the sky, or this is part of the sky here, and maybe draw a reptile here, like maybe a turtle or a snake, so we can have we can't have any fish in here, okay? There are no lakes or rivers here, so you can't add the fish, but we could surely add the reptile. Amphibians, we can't add amphibian either. Amphibians would be, they live in the water, but they can walk. They live in the water, they can walk out into the land, but there is no water. So we're going to leave the amphibians and reptiles out, but let's add the birds and the reptiles, okay? So that's your work for lesson 4, okay? On your checkoff sheet, make sure you write your name and date on your paper. Write your name and date. On your checkoff sheet, under science, okay, I forgot to add science video number 3. So for Thursday, check that off when you finish your page, and that would be for Thursday. That's your video number 3. All right, it's a very short lesson. Enjoy coloring your page, and I can't wait to see everybody's colored pages. All right, bye-bye.